It's time to give all these coins away. This is what they were like at the end of the last video, and now they're all in here. All the pennies in one big bag there, and all the other coins are split up a bit. Lots of packing in the bottom. Last one to go in. There we go, we put that down there, and I'll get those all packed up. Right, here we are. Wheel of names, numbers this time, 1 to 12, because there were 12 videos in all. So let's give it a bit of a shuffle and then hit it. And it's going to be video number 6. No, it's video number 8. Video number 8. There we go. Give it a bit of a cheer. Okay, so what I do now, this is the last video I made. So if I look in the comments, the links to all them others are there. So number 8 is what I want. So let's click on that. There we are. Oh, look at that. South African penny. That's part of the giveaway. 226 comments altogether. Look at that lot. Alright, I won't look at all those. If you want to read all the comments, you can always go to that video. Hunting for rare old pennies. Some good finds, it's called. Alright, copy that address there. Copy the URL. Copy. Go to YouTube, a random comment picker, as I've got here. Now I have to paste that in there. Paste that address in there. What else? Filter duplicate users. 3 + 6 is 9. I put that in there. Prove I'm not a robot. And get YouTube comments. 187 unique comments on that video. Right. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Let's hit it. And the winner is Darren Plassard, 7779. Well done, Darren. I can't read that. Zoom in. Yep. I think I read somewhere that apart from proof sets, all the 1950s and 1951 pennies were not intended for circulation and were sent to Bermuda. So click on that. Oh, that just goes to the video. How do I read the rest of that comment? To Bermuda. How do I read the rest of the comment? Help. Well, there's only that arrow to click on. Let's try it again. Oh, it just goes to the video. Oh, look at that. It puts it at the top of the vid. Oh. Right. I think I read somewhere that apart from proof sets, all the 1950s and 51 pennies were not intended for circulation, were sent to Bermuda in 1956. Yes, you're right. All the 1950s and most of the 1951s. But some made their way back to the UK. Also good to see the 1919 KN, which I think is harder of the two to find. Yes, it's rarer than the H-mint mark. Anyway, another great hunt. Looking out for the next one. Thanks, CP. Well, thank you, Darren. Please contact me. My email address will be below. We'll do a little bit of a confirmation. Make sure it's you, and I'll get them sent out to you. Right, if you didn't win, don't worry. I will be doing it again. Well done again, Darren. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video.